Next global indicator is FE. Now for FE, our itinerary has to satisfy three conditions. Origin or destination point should be in Moscow or St. Petersburg or Kiev. Second condition says very next cities should not be in Japan and Korea. Third condition says rest of all the cities should be in the area 3. Now we'll understand through this map. Now this is Russia and Europe. Here we have Moscow, St. Petersburg or Kiev. These are the three cities. Your journey should start from Moscow, St. Petersburg or Kiev, or destination point should be Moscow, St. Petersburg, Kiev. Second condition says if your journey is starting from these three cities, then very next point should not be in Japan and Korea. Should not be in Japan and Korea. And the third condition says that rest of all the cities should be in the area 3. Now we'll understand this through these examples. Now very first is Agana, Jakarta, Yangon and Moscow. Agana, Jakarta, Yangon and Moscow. Now for FE, our itinerary has to satisfy three conditions. Now the very first is your journey should start from Moscow, St. Petersburg or Kiev. Yes, here our destination point is Moscow. That means this itinerary has satisfied the very first condition. Very next point or previous point should not be in Japan, Korea. Now the previous point is Yangon. Yangon is not in Japan and Korea. That means this itinerary has satisfied the second condition also. Rest of all the cities should be in the area 3. Guam is in Agana, Agana is in area 3. Jakarta is in Indonesia, Indonesia is in area 3. Yangon is in Myanmar, Myanmar is in area 3. That means this itinerary has satisfied all the three conditions. For this itinerary, the global indicator will be FE. Now I'll see the one more example.